Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix you cannot change the storefront information for your account at this time in iPhone. Hey, if you're using any iPhone and you're facing this type issue in your iPhones, that whenever you try to change your information or your country or region, you see an error that you cannot change your storefront information at the time. So let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing, you just have to go back. You have to check that you have a stable and the strongest network connection, and you have to also check that your VPN is not connected. So open settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that. Then go back, tap on your Apple ID here, and look for subscriptions option. Select that, and you just have to make sure that you're not subscribed to anything. Or if you have any subscriptions here, you just have to try to remove your subscriptions first. Once you have removed your subscriptions, go back, open your App Store, tap on your profile option in the top right corner, select your Apple ID here, then verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password, then select country or region and you will be there. Or if your issue is still not fixed, so you just have to contact with the Apple Support team. So open your Apple Support app, you can use your Apple Support app or you can easily install this app from your App Store. Select your iPhone from here, select more option, select App Store, and here just wait for this loading. Then select get more help, then select call us. After that you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get up your help from there. So after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.